Welcome to Phonics for Kids. I am Miss A and I am super excited to explore more phonics magic with you today. Let's dive into the terrific world of letter T together. But before we set sail on our letter T journey, let's remember all the awesome sounds we've learned so far. These are the letters S and A. Can you recall their sounds? If not, don't worry, I got you covered. Go watch my previous two videos and you will be good to go. Moving on to our star letter of the day. Do you know what sound does the letter T make? Let's find out together with the help of an amazing story.
The Tap Tap Tea Party. One Monday evening, Tessie the teddy bear was all alone looking at some pictures of her friends. Can my friends come for a tea party tomorrow? She thought. Tessie wrote out and sent invitations to her friends for a tea party at her house on Tuesday afternoon. On Tuesday, her friend Tim the tiger arrived early. He wanted to help her prepare for the tea party. Tessie and Tim had tea and tacos. Tim said, "These tacos are so tasty, Tessie." "Thank you, Tim," replied Tessie. Have you ever eaten a tasty taco? It's made of a tortilla and some yummy fillings. Then Tim and Tessie went outside. "Let's play tag. Tessie, I'll run and you try to catch me. Say tag when you do," said Tim. Have you ever played tag before? Have you run after your friends, touched them and cried out tag? While they were playing, Tessie tripped and almost fell over. "Let's not play tag anymore. What if you twist your ankle? Let's go in," said Tim worriedly. Tessie and Tim went inside to prepare for the tea party. Tessie made some tea while Tim arranged the teacups and teaspoons on the table. Tim then placed some tea biscuits on the plates and tulips in the vase. "Thank you, Tim," said Tessie happily as she put the teapot on the table. "You are welcome, Tessie," replied Tim. Tring, tring, rang the doorbell. Tony the turtle, Timothy the toucan, Taylor the toad, and Tina the turkey entered the house. Timothy had brought along his favorite toy. Their tummies were rumbling. So they gathered around the table to enjoy the tea and the tasty tea biscuits. After the tea, they ran out to the garden. "What should we do now?" asked Tina. Tessie tapped her feet and said, "Let's dance! Follow my beat!" "This is the way I tap my toes. This is the way I tap my toes at the tea party."
So that was Tessie and her friends sipping tea, tap dancing, and having the best day of their lives. After listening to this story, I feel like hosting a tea party myself. Anyway, were you able to hear the sound of the tapping feet? What sound did it make? Yes, it made this sound just like our star letter of the day, letter T. To correctly produce the T sound, place your teeth together, touching that bumpy spot behind the top front teeth and say t, t, while blowing out a little air. Now, let's see the sound together. Letter T makes the sound T. Let's practice together to write the letter T. Keep your pointer finger on the red dot that you see on the screen and then slowly move along with the black line. Time for some fun activities! I spy with my little eyes something that starts with the sound T. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess the ending sound of these pictures? Elephant, bus, cricket. Let's try reading these words with the sounds we've learned. At, at, s, at, s, a, sa, sat, sat. Awesome effort today, kids! Until next time, bye-bye!